Do you ever look in your closet, pick out something and think, should I wear this? Is this still stylish? Or do you sometimes think, oh, my wardrobe is just so blah? I'm Sheila, I'm a personal stylist, and I help women find the best styles that suit their body shape, their coloring, and their personality so they can dress well with ease. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every Tuesday when I upload a new video. This video will help you know, when you look in your wardrobe, which styles to keep and which styles to toss. So let's take some frustration out of getting dressed. If you love style and you want to learn more about style and you want to be part of a community where you can learn, share, develop your skills, practice new habits of buying clothes and creating outfits so you can have a closet full of clothes you love to wear and feel comfortable wearing and also feel pulled together, I invite you to join my new Women in Style community. I'll put the link to join below. So number one, you're in front of your closet and you take out an item, and sometimes you might have taken it out several times, maybe even once a week, and you look at the item and think, should I wear this? And you think, is it still stylish? Does it fit me? And usually in the back of your mind, there's a reason why you shouldn't wear it, but you really don't know. And you're kind of confused because you hear sometimes that it is stylish, and then on the other hand, you hear it isn't stylish. So this is how to decide. First, ask yourself, does this look great on me? So you try it on, and if it looks great on you, that's 1 point for you. You've tried it on, it looks great. So now you ask yourself, how long have I had it? Because sometimes it's because you've had it a long time and you're not really sure if it's still stylish. So if it's over 4 years and if it was bought during a fad time, so if this item is a fad, for example, if it's a cardigan that has short sleeves, there was a time when that was very prevalent. You could buy them anywhere. If it was something like that, you might be thinking, I don't know if this is still wearable. So if it was a fad 3-4 years ago, there's a good chance that it isn't stylish right now. And there are some classic items that come into focus every season, but they don't really go out of style. And if we go back to the short sleeve cardigan, there are cardigans you can buy that are short sleeve that are still stylish, but there are also types that were the fad back 4 years ago that aren't stylish anymore. What happens is during that fad time, there's a certain look to that garment, then 2 or 3 years later, even though you can still buy it and it's still in style but isn't stylish, so it isn't the thing to buy, but you can still wear it, it looks a little bit different. If you take it out of your closet and you're wondering, but it does look good on you, it isn't a fad, it's classic, then yes, you keep it. But if it's a fad, it's probably better to not keep it. So it will be a good idea to keep your eye out every season for what the fads are. And then you'll know, if you buy one, that in 3-4 years from now, you'll think, yeah, that was a fad and it isn't really stylish anymore. But sometimes we just buy things because it's in the stores or it's available, not really realizing it's a fad. And then 2 or 3 years later, even though you like it, it looks good on you, there's something in the back of your mind telling you it's not good anymore. That's another thing. Trust your intuition. If there's something telling you that it isn't good for you, maybe you shouldn't wear it because you're not going to feel really comfortable in it. And the whole idea is that you love what you wear and you feel really comfortable. Number two, this is an item you take out of your closet, you wear it, and you wear it often, but it doesn't really feel good. So you know it's stylish because probably it is the latest style, but there's something about it that doesn't feel good. So there are a couple of things that could be the problem. One is that it's the wrong color for you. And you'll know this if you look in the mirror and it doesn't feel good. When you look at your face with this top on or jacket on or whatever it is, when that color is next to your face, it's draining. Even though you don't know for sure it's the color, the telltale sign is when you look in the mirror, like up close from your shoulders up, you look kind of drab and dull. And that would mean that it isn't the right color for you. Again, trust your intuition. If it isn't a good color, you will know that it isn't a good color because you will have worn other colors that were good and you look better. The best way to get around this is to know your best colors and to do this without having color analysis is to first find your color temperature. So your color temperature is either cool or warm. And if you know which color temperature you're in, that will make it a lot easier. At least you won't look quite as drab in a color if it's your right color temperature. So first know if it's your color temperature. That would be your first step in getting your right colors. And if you want to know more about that and how to find your color temperature, you can download my ebook right here. It will show you how to know what your color temperature is. The third item in your closet that might be causing you a little frustration because you see it there and you might want to let go of is something you've bought for a special occasion and you still have it in your closet. For example, if you've gone to a store and you see something that's really nice, and I know you have, all of us have seen that beautiful dress, or usually it's a dress, but some outfit that was really nice, and you buy it because it looks great on you, it's a nice color for you, but when you get it home, you think, I need a special occasion to wear this. Well, maybe I can wear it if I go on this special vacation or if I go on a cruise, but you never do. So then you have that item that's in your closet. It's reminding you of money spent with the idea of going somewhere that you don't go, and it shouldn't be there looking at you. So even if you don't want to just actually get rid of it totally, you could move it somewhere else. You could put it in a box, you could put it in the attic. But anything that's in your closet that you bought for that special occasion or because it really looked nice and you're not wearing it, or you could find a place to wear it, that's the other thing. Sometimes there are places that we could wear it, but when the time comes to wear it, we think, oh, I can't wear that, I'll be too dressed up. Maybe nobody else will be wearing something as dressy, so I don't want to wear that. So I say, if that's the case, wear it anyway. So if you have this beautiful sequin dress that you want to wear, that looks great on you, the next occasion that comes even close to being like a gala, wear it. Now, I don't mean to wear it if you're going to a hockey game, but wear it when it's suitable, but a time when you're thinking, I don't know if I should. The other thing about wearing something when you know it's a good fit, but you don't really have the courage, is it will stretch your confident muscle. Every time you get a chance to do that, do it. Okay, let's get back to your closet, and you take out that item that you really love, looks great on you, it's the right color, but you just can't ever make it work. Usually this would be a skirt or a top because you need to match it with something. So you don't have anything that really matches it. So it's just frustrating because you love it so much. So what could be the problem? It could be a style that's hard to match anyway. Now there are certain styles that don't have basic lines, and anything that doesn't have a basic line is harder to match. But there is something that you can find to match it. It also could be that it's a difficult color to match. But usually this wouldn't be the problem because you would match it with a neutral. Another thing that could be wrong is that it doesn't match your body shape. Again, let's go back to the intuition. If something doesn't look good on you, it could be because it doesn't fit your body shape, and you intuitively know this. So if you put something on and maybe you've matched it well, maybe it isn't the problem that you can't match it, maybe it's that it doesn't look good on you, it isn't suitable for your body shape. That could be another problem. So that means you need to know which styles suit your body shape. Or maybe you can't find shoes to match it. Sometimes this is a problem. When you have an item in your closet that you find very difficult to match, you will either learn how to match it, so do an exploration, do some research on it, find out how it can be matched, or take it out of your closet because you don't need that frustration. So anything that's in your closet that's causing you trouble, get that trouble out of sight. Something else that could be making it more difficult to get dressed is when you look in your closet and you have everything the same, or a lot the same. So you might have white tops, white t-shirts, white blouses, everything white on top. Or it could be blue, or it could be red, all the same color. Or you might have a lot of jeans, or you might have a lot of black, or you might have a lot of black pants or black skirts, or anything that's all the same. So what happens is your wardrobe or your outfits always look the same. Now this is great if that's the way you like it and you find that it's easier to get dressed because you always know what to put together. And I know there are people like that who wear the same outfits always because they have a routine and they always wear the same thing. Now, if you are the type of person who doesn't like that and you're thinking, oh, I thought this was going to work for me, I bought everything in neutral and now my whole wardrobe is black. What do I do? So let's say that item you have in your closet is a pair of jeans or many pairs of jeans. What do? First, you start bringing in some tops that are different than that regular color that you always have. So let's say you have jeans and you have all white t-shirts or all black t-shirts. Bring in a different color to match your jeans. Then, once you bring in that color, so first when you do that, you want to make sure that the neckline suits your face shape and your body type. So make sure you choose the right neckline. And then make sure that you have the right color. So you want to have that color that looks good on you, that creates pizzazz. So now you have your jeans, you have a couple of different colors, then you can get a neutral jacket in your best neutral. So now you can create more outfits that are different from the ones you've created before. If you really love jeans and you want to keep wearing jeans, you could also change the different shapes of your jeans. So you could wear a different type if that's something you'd want to do. And then with a different type of jeans, you could wear different footwear. That would make your outfits different again. You could also use different accessories to make your outfit look different. So when you're wearing the same outfit and you think it's blah, just bring in a couple of colors that will make a difference. And different styles of footwear, different styles of accessories. To have a wardrobe you really love, it needs to match your personality, it needs to match your lifestyle, your coloring, and your body shape. When any of these things are off, it will make dressing more difficult. So if you have any of those things in your closet that are bringing you down when you see them instead of lifting you up, I suggest you take them out of your closet, move them somewhere else. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and keep on styling.